Hello, hope you all are doing well. Today I am showing you how can we make a project in our Proteus software and how can we upload Arduino code in Proteus software using Arduino IDE. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will write a basic code for Arduino that is for LED blinker. Okay, this is the code. Okay, this is the code for LED blinker. This LED will blink for 1 second and then it turn off. It means first of all we have defined the pin mode that is 7. So we will connect our LED on pin 7. Then we have pin that is LED that is used for output. And then we have digital write. First of all, our LED will high for 1 second, that is the delay, and then it will be low for 1 second, and this will be continuously in a loop because we write this code in a loop. Okay, first of all, you compile this code. Okay, you can see our compilation has been done successfully. Now you have to copy a file from here. You have to copy this hex file. You can copy this file and then we will paste this file in our Proteus software in the Arduino. You have just copy this file and now we have to make the circuit. First of all, we will use an Arduino UNO, this one, and then we will select an LED. Now we have defined the LED pin 7, so we will connect this LED with pin 7 here, and the negative pin is connected with ground. This is our ground. Now we have to connect the ground and power. Okay, this is our ground. So we'll connect ground with this pin and power with 5 voltages. Now you have to upload the code in this Arduino IDE. You just double click on this and then paste the copied file here. Okay, now you have to press the OK and then you have to run simulation. You can see that the blinking of this LED is started here. Okay, if you like this video, you can like and subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.